I teach 3 and 4-year-olds, and when the 3-year-olds come in, they don't have a lot of the pro-social skills yet. And they're just learning. As they grow and they learn those pro-social skills, they move away from that because they have that in their pocket. When they start to feel comfortable in their ability to work with others, you see them do all sorts of cool stuff. I start the year with a whole unit on the ways that we're alike and the ways that we are different. We start with that language and we talk about those things, and then we fold that into feelings. We've been talking about those things inside of us that make us feel sad, that make us feel tired. Because feelings are also ways that we are alike and then ways that we are different, right? We have different feelings, but we all have feelings. What are those things called? Feelings! I do this apple unit where we look at apples on the outside and we think about how they relate. Do this if you have something you see or notice about them that you want to share.
There's one small, one medium, one big.
How they're different from each other and how they're the same, but then we cut them open and really notice that they are the same on the inside. Does the green one have the same thing on the inside?
Yeah.
Because we all have feelings, we need to figure out how to help each other through our feelings. So in our classroom, we have a corner of our classroom that kids can go to when they're having really big feelings. Call it the big feelings box. We talk about feelings, what feelings are, and that sometimes we have really big feelings and we need a space for that. Big feelings can be big angry feelings or big tired feelings or big sad feelings, but whatever those big feelings are, we use that area. It has a timer in it, it has a strategies poster where you can do some deep breathing. My olders will notice their big feelings and they'll take it upon themselves. And sometimes I hear the big feeling box and go, oh my goodness, somebody's in the big feeling box. They do it on their own.